What I do as a parent is, one, I make sure the child completes what the teacher has asked him to do, and it also comes from the teacher. When there's enough pressure on the child to meet targets, expectations by the teacher, that is enough. I generally don't have to do much to get the work done from my children that has come from school. But what I do as a parent is, I do additional practice of similar concepts to add to what is coming from school. For example, if my child is doing multiplication in class, I let her complete her homework and whatever she has to do, she's got from school. Then I sit with her and I give her additional practice in the same concepts that are happening in the class. So that gives her that edge in the class, because she's done additional practice with me, she's more prepared for the next class, she's more excited. So I think that's imperative as a parent, to be giving that additional practice besides school, because schools have their restrictions. They can't give homework beyond a certain level, beyond a certain amount, because children are traveling long distances and there are a lot of issues. But as a parent, I think it is my duty to give that additional practice to my child.
If I have to get him to do his homework, there's just a way where I say, okay, let's see who's going to be the first to do it and how are you going to do it. Let's get on to do it together, and we do it. And I think within 5 to 10 minutes, he finishes his work. Sometimes I feel that he needs to be challenged even more, because he's able to complete his work so quickly, and I feel he's not doing anything other than that.
See, you have to somewhere lay a base rule that if you eat every day, if you bathe every day, if you want to play every day, if you want to watch TV every day, study has to be an integral part. Because if you don't study, your overall development will not happen. And if you want to achieve something in life, academics plays a very vital, important role. If I can't talk to you properly, how will I present myself to the world outside? So he has to understand that academics will lay a foundation of, it is like a stepping stone. That is the base first step which he will take and lead into the world further. So he has to, there is no two way about it. It is like a daily routine you have to follow.